Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech. Want your MX mouse to automatically follow your paired MX Keys S or Keys Mini keyboard when you switch between computers? Here's how to synchronize your devices and simplify your workflow in 3 steps using the enhanced Easy Switch feature in the Logi Options Plus app. If you use your MX devices with multiple computers, switching each device individually can be a bit of a pain. First, pressing the Easy Switch key on the keyboard, then picking up the mouse, pressing the Easy Switch button on the bottom. It's not ideal. But here's the good news. With the enhanced Easy Switch feature, when you switch your keyboard to a new computer, your mouse switches with it automatically. Let's go over the steps. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of the Logi Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2. Manually pair your MX mice and MX Keys S or Keys Mini keyboard to the corresponding channels on each computer you want to use. For example, if you use a work computer and a personal laptop, pair both the keyboard and the mouse to the work computer on any one of the available channels. Then pair both to the personal laptop in another free channel. Step 3. Open the Options Plus app and select your MX Keys S or Keys Mini keyboard. Navigate to the Easy Switch tab and click on the Configure link. Under Link Compatible Devices, toggle the switch on for the MX Mouse or MX Creative Console that you want to use. This will link your MX devices together. You only need to do this setup once on one computer. Easy Switch streamlines your workflow by reducing interruptions. Check out our quick Q&A video with Ludovico, our product manager, for all the top FAQs. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Logitech updates.